My name is Gerald Biener and I'm a pilot, and beside that I'm also the CEO of Zermatt. Especially in the mountains, there is no better tool than a helicopter.
For the rescue missions, we are happy to have the Bell 429 because it's a powerful helicopter, a twin-engine helicopter, which is mandatory for the rescues. My experience is that we have a lot of power even in high-altitude missions. We get all the patients off even the high mountain peaks here, which are up to 4,500 meters, which is pretty high, and especially under these high and hot conditions.
The Bell 429 for our missions with the pilot, the doctor and the paramedic has a good power range.
On the operational side, the aircraft is just awesome. It's the best tool I've ever seen. Also for the space, the whole ergonomics inside the helicopter, that helicopter is made for pilots.
Normally we just have one patient, but sometimes we have two patients. And we have really a lot of space to work. The cabin is good for this kind of helicopter. We have a lot of space in the cabin.
Thing is with the Bell 429 is what is a very big advantage is we can get the equipment out of the interior equipment out very fast.
If we talk about comfort for us as the medical team and of course for the patient, this helicopter is very stable even in high winds.
This helicopter is just an amazing. You can fly it like a 407, like a big 407. The rotor system is so efficient and it's so nice to fly, you know, less vibrations. The reaction time there is an immediate response, and that makes it so easy to fly the 429.
It's very soft and it's very easy to fly. It's a natural aircraft.
Concerning the aerodynamics of both the main rotor system and the tail rotor system are phenomenal and unique. Doing a hoist mission at 16,000 feet, this is nice to do with this helicopter because you always have a certain range, a certain reserve, and that's very important, especially as higher you go up. I would say I've never seen on any other aircraft such a powerful outcome of the rotor system. Especially the tail rotor, where in some different aircrafts you reach the limits. We never had any problems, any issues with side wind. Like we could go easily up to 35, 40 knots and still have control over the tail rotor.
And as soon as it gets bad weather, a risk that you can get stuck into the fog or clouds or visibility issues, then I always immediately take the Bell, because when I get caught, that's the machine, when you know how to use the systems, will bring you out of the problem and bring you back home. That's for sure.
That makes this helicopter a unique thing, and we love it.